So I had to try it. I had to try one of these Amazon wigs to see if I could slay it and make it look more than what I paid for it. And I think I did a good job. So as you can tell, it came in this cute pink package and everything came nice and wrapped up in plastic and a hairnet. It came with a black stocking cap, which why I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you kind of the construction of the cap so you can, get a feel of how it is made. Now I did remove the combs that came inside the wig just because I didn't need them. They serve no purpose to me. This come with adjustable straps, and yeah, so the wefts are actually sewn onto the cap, which is really nice. So it's a really nicely made wig. So this is how the wig looks after I have washed and conditioned it and I let it air dry. It did have the same wave pattern, which is really nice that came back. So what I'm just going to do is kind of part it the way I wanted to wear it. I want to wear it in a middle part. I'm actually going to cut it into a bob. So this is going to be a middle part bob. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and lay down the hair. And I really like this hot comb. I just got it from I believe Walmart. It's not like the best hot comb out there, but it'll do for now. I do want to invest in another one. And yeah, I definitely suggest getting a hot comb. I mean, it makes switching the parting a lot easier. Okay, so now I am just going to flat iron the hair. I'm using the chase method. It just makes it a lot faster to flat iron, especially with wavy hair. Sometimes it can be a little resistant. So if you use a comb and kind of put it before the flat iron as you pass down the hair, it tends to straighten it a lot faster and a lot silkier. So yeah, I love the chase method. As you can see, this hair really did get nice and bone straight, and it has a nice shine to it as well. So I was very impressed on this hair, and I mean, I really thought it was gonna burn or something, but it didn't. It really held up good, and I had the flat iron on the highest temperature. I had it on 450. So yeah. going to cut the hair in a bob. I'm just going to section off the front part of the hair that I kind of want to cut with scissors. I want this front part to be a little bit longer than the back part. So I'm going to section it off on both sides of the wig cap. So we are going to do this the easy way. It's one of my favorite ways to cut a bob, and that's just tying a ponytail really tightly around the hair, right where you want to cut it, and take some scissors and you're going to cut above the ponytail. You definitely want to make sure that the ponytail holder is really tight so it doesn't move too much while you're cutting the hair. That's what I'm going to do now. Now I'm just going to go back with a, what is this called? A shaver, and we're just going to clean up any, loose ends, cut any stray hairs that I forgot to cut or that I didn't cut when I used the scissors. And I'm actually going to use this to cut the front of my hair at an angle. It makes cutting it really easy, really fast, and yeah, so I highly suggest getting one of these. It makes cleaning up any mistakes you made like really easy. I'm just going to take my flat irons and go over the hair one more time just to give it a little bump at the ends and kind of hide any imperfections of the haircut that I just did. So yeah, definitely just give it a little bump. now we are going to apply the stocking cap. This is only my second time doing the bald cap method. Not really too good at it, but I am going to keep practicing. Actually did work out though. It made my lace wig very seamless, so I did like it. And I'm just using some Gorilla Glue. Using, of course, the one in the yellow bottle. You can use whatever one you want. This one, it holds better to me because I sweat a lot, so I don't know, I just feel like it gives me a better hold. I'm also kind of pushing that gel back into my hair just so the cap will stay on. And I'm going to finish it up with some Got2b hairspray just to make sure, you know, everything is going to be secure. I'm going to use my blow dryer on the cool setting to dry the glue. You want to make sure it's dry before you cut the excess cap off. Okay, now that your glue or your gel is dry, now you can just cut off the excess cap, and it should just stay right on. It shouldn't roll off or come off or anything like that. So I do love this method. I don't do it all the time, every so often, but I do like it. I do want to practice and get better at it. So okay, so now I'm just going to take my foundation and go over the cap. Yeah, just to try to get it to blend in with my skin color as best as I can. I should have went back and took some alcohol and wiped off the makeup around my forehead, but it didn't really matter. I didn't keep this on long. I just wanted to wear it for a day. So I didn't really focus on securing the sides too well. I just wanted to make sure that the top was really secure. So now I'm just going to put on some more that Got2b glue on my hairline because I'm about to apply the wig. You're not going to let this dry. You're going to let it just get a little tacky, so you can like blow dry it for just a little bit on the cool setting with your blow dryer until it gets nice and tacky, and then you can apply your wig. I did also use hairspray as well. And like I said, I'm only going to keep this on for a day or so. So I really didn't focus on the sides. I just wanted to make sure that the front was secure, and it really did hold up. Take some gel, just some regular gel, to gel down my baby hairs. Some people don't like baby hairs, and that's fine. I do. I actually wear my own hair like this because I have little short hairs at the front, and I wear it just like this. So yeah, I like, you know, doing this. But like I said, you don't have to. And if y'all want to see how I customize a frontal or a wig, just let me know. Give me a thumbs up, and I will do a separate video all on customizing your hairline. This one I really didn't do too much, just a little bit, because like I said, I was only going to wear it for about a day. But yeah, so now I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and I am putting it in my part just to define the part a little bit more, make it look a little bit more natural. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to just finesse the closure or the wig and the baby hairs, and just try to make it look as natural as I can. you guys, this is it. This is the final look of the wig. I really like it. 2 thumbs up for this Amazon wig. It's not about the wig, but it's really about how you customize it and make it your own. And I think this wig came out great. If y'all like videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, and I will definitely bring you more videos just like this. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.